Solubility of noble gases in water. So there is a intermolecular force which is called induced dipole interaction, which is taking place in the case of noble gases. Let us explore the solubility of noble gases in water. There is a electron cloud distortion which takes place when we think about the solubility of noble gases in water. Now imagine that this is a water molecule. So oxygen has a partial negative and hydrogen a partial positive charge. It's a dipole. If you take a noble gas where the atom is having an instantaneous dipole, so when water molecules approach this noble gases, there is a slight negative charge developed and there is a partial positive charge developed here. So due to this dipole, this is a dipole, this is induced dipole interaction. Distortion, this is called electron cloud distortion. Or we could also say that this is nothing but polarization of electron cloud. Polarization of valence electron cloud, and this effect increases down the group. So the magnitude of induced dipole interaction increases down the group. Therefore, the increasing order of solubility of inert gases, helium less than neon less than argon less than krypton less than xenon.